This chocolate bar hides an incredible factory secret.
What if I told you millions of these are made every single day?
The temperature has to be absolutely perfect.
Einkernzelt and from Racine-Potzin, from this to this, let me show you how it happens.
But one mistake can ruin an entire batch.
This machine is the heart of the entire operation.
It all starts here with fresh milk. But how does it become chocolate?
Hold it right there. Okay, easy forward now. Keep it straight. Coming back, you're good. All right, hold it and stop.
Sign here, please, and ensure you report directly to Bay 3.
All right, will do, thank you.
Keep it straight. Watch your clearance on the left. All right, hold it. Stop right there. Pull it straight out. Watch the side, clear the ramp. Okay, bring the next one forward. All right, keep it coming straight. Easy now, watch the blue rail. Right there, stop. Is the pressure high enough on this batch?
Looks good. The spray coverage is consistent now.
Yes, parameters are stabilizing.
Every container must be spotlessly clean before processing.
These last 5 are good to go. All right, shutting down the spray in zone 4. Sector. Impurities must be completely removed. Make a note of the water temperature.
Already done. Everything seems to be running smoothly.
Drying happens at exactly the right temperature.
Check the vibration on level 3. It seems a little high. I'll adjust the flow rate.
Size matters. Every bean must be perfectly uniform.
Coupling secure.
Valve position verified.
Flow rate looks good. The milk must flow at exactly the right rate. Now they're ready for the real transformation.
Temperature control is absolutely critical here.
This separates the shell from the precious cocoa nib.
Consistency looks perfect right now.
Agreed. Let's maintain this flow rate. Viscosity looks good. Yeah, temperature is holding steady.
The texture must be absolutely perfect.
Everything seems stable here. All right, let's head down to the tempering units.
"31 degrees. That's the magic number for perfect temper."
Look at the flow rate here, it's slightly off spec. Noted. Noted. We'll recalibrate after this run.
The refractometer shows the Brix value is stable at 55%.
Good. Visually, the temper looks consistent across the sample.
Each mold must be filled to exact specifications.
Watch the drop mechanism on that next sequence.
Looks good, the alignment is precise.
Every single bar gets inspected by hand. Double packaging protects freshness and quality.
That's 12.
Random sampling ensures every box meets our standards. Did you confirm the shipment in Section 3?
Yes, I marked it received on the tablet. The count is accurate.
Proper storage keeps every bar fresh until it reaches you.
Back it up, keep coming. Steady now, watch your clearance. Okay, hold it. Back it up straight, watch the clearance. All right, got it. Setting it down now.
Thousands of bars are now heading to stores worldwide.
Keep it coming! You are clear to go!
From fresh milk to finished bar, millions made every single day.